guys are doing well. I know it's been a little while since our last video, but it's Jess's birthday today. We are just on our way to go meet up with a friend Mark and chase some waterfalls, so come along.
The next series of obstacles make it quite difficult for anyone without four-wheel drive and high clearance to navigate through.
So we just finished up the little trail in and found a little spot just along the river here. Found some sweet waterfalls. Yeah, check it out. So this definitely isn't a bad spot to celebrate your birthday, hey Jess?
Yeah, it's been perfect.
Can't complain about that. What do you think, Huds?
I think he's pretty happy.
I think so.
Oh, yeah, he is good. He's cute.
Oh yeah. He's a decent gardener.
Hudson's super into it.
Do you like it? My sugar. I know. But it tastes so good. Nope, not in the mouth.
Thanks for tagging along on today's adventure and helping us celebrate Jess's birthday today. If you liked the adventure today and you want to see more videos like this, feel free to hit that subscribe button and drop a like. It really helps grow the channel. We'd really appreciate it. Take care.